Hey guys, Brian here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to go over rolling because everyone needs to learn how to do some risk mitigation and figuring out if you want to sell or if you don't. And I know that I've been telling a lot of people, if you're doing the wheel strategy, you kind of got to be cool with selling your stocks at the strike price that you chose. But if you feel like there's going to be a big explosion in the stock and you want to also capture as much appreciation as possible while wheeling, then rolling helps out a lot as well. It also helps you capture more premium. There's a lot of strategies you could do with rolling. You could also do in the money rolls to try to capture as much premium as possible. That is a little bit more risky, but as long as you're doing it in a safe way and making sure you are above your cost basis, then it's okay to do, and you could get a lot more premium if you're cool with doing that. You do month out covered calls, and every 2 weeks you roll it another 2 weeks. So I've done that a little bit. It works out. Just don't fall in love with it. That's what I'm going to say with that, because that's what got me in some of my positions where I'm just oh, I'll roll it again. I'll roll it again. And then I didn't stick to my strategy because I decided that, because I'm not doing as many plays every week, I feel like I should do one kind of thing. The whole point of wheeling, and when you start making a lot of money with it, is to make it as passive as possible. Month out is cool. I don't want to have to look at my portfolio every day. I only want to look at it maybe 2-3 times a week, Monday or Tuesday to make the play, Thursday and Friday to decide if I'm going to roll it or if I'm going to keep it if it's a weekly, or if I'm or I could just look at it whenever I want to. The goal is to make this as passive as possible, but by popular demand, I'm going to show you some rolls. But before we get into it, this video is brought to you by MooMoo Finance. If you check out the link down below, you get an 8.1% just for having your money sitting in there. So if you fund the account, you have some money in there for I think 3 months, you're going to get 15 free stocks. And that is an amazing thing because that is free money, guys. Free money. So if you like free money, check out the links down below. You could get free Bitcoin from Gemini, free stocks from Robinhood, free stocks from MooMoo. And I also got some other affiliate links down there as well that would help me out and help the channel out. But before we get in, let's just get into it, and just drop a like on this video because it helps the channel grow, and I appreciate every single one of you guys that are watching. So let's just jump into my desktop really quick right here, and I'm going to show you some of my options plays. So here we are. I'm going to show you how to roll. Let's roll this NVIDIA call that I have. So I have 2 contracts of NVIDIA at 125, and this is what I mean. It's at August 15, 2025. Kind of stuck with it. I don't want to buy it back. I'll just buy more stocks and I'll wheel until then, because I have 20 to 35,000 that I could use right now. I'm cash heavy right now. That's what I'm trying to say. Even though that's not a lot of cash for some people, it's a lot of cash. So if I click on it, hopefully my settings are showing this better, because I did choose to make this way higher than 480p. So let me just check out my settings really quick. I'm just recording at way higher stuff here, which is great. That's looking good. Yeah, this should be good. So if you have Fidelity, it's super easy. Same thing with Robinhood. So you click on it. It shows the days until expiration. You can buy to close, sell to open, or roll. What we want to do is roll, and that'll for me bring up another screen right here, and this should also be on Robinhood and Fidelity. I know for a fact it's on Fidelity. I know for a fact it's in Robinhood as well. I know a lot of people seem to not be able to get it, but I know my friends and other people I coach, they do it really well on Robinhood. You just press the roll button and that's it. So it'll automatically populate the first leg, the previous option that you already own. So buy to close to NVIDIA August 15, 2025, the 125 call. It has here. It already populated for me, so it'll populate for you. So do not change this at all. And then you're going to have to do the second leg right here, sell to open. And then you're like choose like the 2 or the 1, whatever. You're going to put another date. So like the only way for me to make money on this is to like go to like the same thing or further. Let's do like September 19th and let's roll it to 136. And let's see, I'm actually going to have to pay a debit here. But if we roll it to 135, I'll actually get paid. Am I just having debits all around? No way. That's crazy. I'm gonna have to go pretty low here, I think. Yep. So like I would have to roll it down a significant amount here and to get a credit. And that would end up meaning I'm gonna make like $1,100 if I went down 114 and stock price is 134. That's not a good one. But what I would like to show people is that what you're able to do is roll this. If you're doing this weeklies, monthlies, you could roll it for more credits. You could roll it for more money. That's what I want to show people here. And that's how easy it could be to make more money. But like, let's see if I could do this 125, at least be above. Yeah, I'll get money for this. If I go to like way further out and I go up for a higher strike price. So you go for a higher strike price, 128 instead of 125. So I'll get $3 extra per share on the option. And then so I'm getting that appreciation, and then I also get to collect another $230 per contract. So that's what I mean, that you can make more money rolling, but obviously you don't want to do this. You don't want to go out so far. I would only roll, like, if you're doing weeklies, you could roll out like 2-3 weeks out, a month out. I wouldn't do anything past like a month and a half, most 3 months. It just, the benefit doesn't outweigh the time that you're losing on making money. Like, so I personally wouldn't roll too far out because I've made my own mistakes already. I've learned it, like what a lot of people have been saying. I've already paid my tuition to the market, and that's what I want to teach you guys. I want to make sure that you guys are not making the same mistakes that I did, and in doing so, I expect you guys to learn from me and learn from everyone else on YouTube and blow past my portfolio, blow way past it. Like, I was in my portfolio at like 83,000 at the max, and now because of that recent dip, I'm at like 78. And I also had to buy back that stupid option that I had. I had to buy it back, so I lost 3K right there. So 78, yeah, that's the tuition that I've been paying. But this was the video. This was really quick. I just wanted to show you guys how to roll. You just automatically press the roll button on Fidelity, so that it's going to make you 2 legs. Buy to close, and this should populate for you. Buy to close, it's going to be your actual option play that you currently own. So it's going to be your strike price, the date that you already have there. And then you're going to have to make sure the second leg is what you want. You're going to have to pick a date, quantity, sell to open, because you're doing another covered call, and date, strike price, sell to open. And that's it. Date, strike price, sell to open, and quantity. And that's it. It's as simple as that. I don't want to overcomplicate it for anybody, but if you want to learn more about this, join the Discord. It's absolutely free. I'm trying to build out a community there. We could ask each other questions. We could go over any kind of strategies. But for the most part, I just want to teach you guys real strategy. That's what's built my portfolio. That's what made me go up in this public portfolio from 35,000 all the way up to 78,000 on the year, and as high as 83,000. So like I pretty much doubled my portfolio in a year. And the plan is to bring this portfolio up to like $100,000, $150,000, $200,000, hopefully by the end of the year to like 120, 150,000. And in like 2-3 years, hopefully past the 250,000, 300,000. And then from there, let's just get to 1 million. But this was a short video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope it was informative. So if you guys got any value out of it, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I appreciate all of you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon. Peace.